If you had to describe an animal equipped with the prehensile trunk of an elephant, attached to the thick, barrel-shaped body of a wild forest hog, and planted on the sturdy, multi-toed feet usually reserved for heavyweights like the rhinoceros, you might assume you were looking at a mythical chimera. But this is the tapir. It has no close relation to a pig or a hybrid experiment. It belongs to its own distinct lineage of large mammals, one that has survived with minimal physical changes for so long, biologists consider it a living fossil. Yet its bizarre patchwork anatomy serves a highly specific purpose. This ancient survivor acts as the hidden architect, holding the world's dense rainforest ecosystems together. Let's start with its most recognizable feature, the flexible, elongated nose. While it looks like a miniature elephant trunk, it functions as a highly specialized survival tool. Primarily, it acts as an agile appendage that can easily strip hard-to-reach leaves, twist off tough twigs, and grasp fallen fruits from the dense brush. Beyond grabbing a meal, the snout serves as an advanced environmental scanner. Because tapirs navigate thick vegetation where sightlines are incredibly short, they rely almost entirely on their acute sense of smell to map the terrain and detect incoming predators. And when a predator does get too close, the tapir uses its nose for something completely different. By retreating into a deep river or lake, the animal can fully submerge its heavy body, using that extended snout as a built-in snorkel to breathe while remaining hidden. Far from being an awkward accessory, this physical adaptation allows the animal to effectively extract resources and evade threats across the jungle floor, up into the canopy branches, and deep below the water's surface. The rest of the tapir's anatomy is equally purpose-built. Notice its robust, rounded physique, supported by unusually short legs. When a massive animal needs to sprint away from danger through a tangled rainforest, that teardrop shape allows it to push cleanly through the undergrowth. Its exceptionally thick hide functions as biological armor, deflecting sharp thorns and preventing severe lacerations. Then look closely at how it walks. A tapir features 4 toes on its front feet and 3 on the back. As the animal steps into the soft, waterlogged soil common along tropical riverbanks, these toes naturally splay outward. This disperses the tapir's immense weight over a wider surface area, keeping it from sinking deeply into the mud. These robust physical traits effectively turn the tapir into an organic all-terrain vehicle. It can easily access and manipulate remote, flooded pockets of the forest that easily trap other large herbivores. But despite weighing several hundred pounds, you will rarely see one in the wild.
Tapirs are intensely solitary and highly secretive. They are primarily nocturnal, preferring to stay hidden during the day. When the sun sets, they rely on their sensitive hearing and smell to forage through pitch-black conditions. Throughout the night, a single tapir will consume a massive volume of plant material, specifically targeting local fruits and swallowing the seeds whole. This map shows their nightly routine. Tapirs ingest thousands of seeds, carrying them long distances before depositing them as nutrient-rich fertilizer. Left far from parent trees, these seeds quickly germinate. Over time, this constant scattering drives massive forest regeneration, ensuring biodiversity across vast areas. The tapir acts as the living infrastructure of the jungle. Its basic daily routine provides the exact biological mechanism required to plant, maintain, and sustain the entire local ecosystem. For millions of years, this biological formula worked perfectly, allowing the tapir to outlive countless other species. Yet today, all 4 remaining species are listed as either vulnerable or endangered. Their ancient biological armor offers no protection against rapid human development. Deforestation completely erases the habitat they rely on, shrinking the areas where they can safely forage and hide. In the fragmented forests that remain, tapirs face heavy hunting pressures, targeted by humans for both their meat and their thick, durable skin. Compounding these dangers is a severe biological bottleneck. Tapirs reproduce incredibly slowly. A mother typically raises only 1 calf after a gestation period lasting over a year, meaning local populations simply cannot breed fast enough to replace the individuals they lose. Protecting this incredibly ancient animal means securing the critical biological engine that keeps our planet's tropical rainforests growing.
If you could combine the traits of any two distinct animals to build the ultimate survival machine, what would they be? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed deconstructing the tapir with us, hit that subscribe button to join us for more deep dives into the natural world.